Another day in the garage. Another day of getting something done. At least Scotty's getting something done. Well, Scotty's got the first brace in. I think that should be good for starting to cut all this out.
Yep. Get that in there. Plus we got these guys to chop. These go into the top of the frame.
Yeah.
So this we probably cut that and then cut the floor away and then cut it off.
Yeah, just cut it off.
Right. I was checking that out before.
Yeah, once you get the plasma fired up.
Start trimming out.
Right.
Little by little. We get what we can out and then we'll check our cross braces on there and make sure that they're not gonna.
Yeah.
Because when we cut them loose, we don't want to have anything flopping. I think it'll be okay though. Like you say, we got the mounts back there, and then the mounts in the front. So that should hold her. Like you say, we'll fire up the welder, get that spotted on, and then we can fire up the plasma.
Sweet.
So we can get some floor out.
Yeah, let's get floored.
We'll do the Fred Flintstone.
Yeah. Let's get floored, man.
There you go.
Floor it.
Yeah, right. You got a good motor to floor it with.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, she's all bagged up so she don't get dirty.
Yeah, don't need that.
Yeah.
She's pretty now, gotta keep her that way.
Right. All right.
Big. There we go.
More floor footage. Or lack of floor footage.
Yeah, about it.
Look at that, huh?
Almost a Fred Flintstone car.
Yeah, pretty close.
We got no motor in it, so
Yeah.
we could move it.
Definitely a yabba dabba doo moment.
How about it? All they had in there was big bolts.
Oh,
Okay. There we go.
look at that. The final piece in the front.
Final
Well,
piece of the puzzle.
not all of it, but quite a bit of it. Look at that.
Hi-yo!
Yeah, buddy.
Bushings look good, yeah. Cool. Nice, nice.
Oh yeah.
Just get the boogers off and
Yeah, and this
These
crap
guys?
over here. Yeah.
we'll clean these off. You can get them all nice shaved down so if you need them again, you got them.
Sweet.
Cool.
On my tone.
Was it?
Where to put it?
Gearbox is out. Steering column is out. Well, finishing up for the day. Gonna enjoy the rest of a absolutely gorgeous day outside. Oh my God, it's so nice. I wish it'd stay like this all year. I really do. Man, this is just beautiful. Perfect autumn day. Yep. Right? Yeah. So, let's take a look at what we did this weekend. I didn't film a lot of it, but we got the steering column out, which wasn't as bad as I thought. I got the gearbox off, so we can start getting ready to lift the body up. The plasma cutter tip, it went bad. Didn't realize that we needed to have more of those in stock, so I ordered some. I'm waiting for them to deliver them today. Good old Amazon. But yeah, let's see what we got here. So this is what we got done so far. And the steering column is gone. So yep, got the windows out. That's the other thing. I got the side windows. The wife helped me. She was nimble enough to crawl in and get at the nuts to get the back window out. So I'm eventually going to have to weld up all these little holes. But yeah, the Lexan is out. And get it ready for some stock glass to put in. And at the front windshield the same way. We got the front window all taken out. So, yep, cut some wiring out of here and
brake
still-
lines out.
Yeah, I still got to get some more brake lines out. Got the proportioning valve out of here and mark that up so we could kind of figure out where we're going to put it and what lines go where to it. So nothing real exciting, but yet it was exciting. So it's nice to have all the windows out of it. Just, you know, ready to start doing our thing. So waiting on body bushings for the floor. And then we're going to have at it. So, thanks guys, as always. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. We're making progress slowly, but you know, we are making progress, so that's always a good thing. I wish we had more done, but I'm glad we got done what we did. So, like I said, if we would have had the tip for the plasma cutter, we would have probably had the rest of that floor out today, but it didn't happen. So, anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. And one of these days I'll have something exciting to actually put up on YouTube. So, but yeah, we're making progress. So appreciate you guys, really do. And everybody have a great week. Enjoy what's left of this great weather, and we'll see you on the next one. Later. Peace out.